So in this video, we're going to be plotting the points and drawing the graph of 2x plus 3y equals 6. So, just as we had in the previous video, you can go about this in two different ways. You can rearrange this into the form of y equals mx plus c. So 2x plus 3y equals 6. If you subtract the 2x from both sides first, and then you divide through by 3, we're going to get this. But personally, I think that this isn't particularly nice to work with. But you can do it that way, substituting x's into that and getting your y values. It's really up to you. You might find that substituting values in and then rearranging might be a little bit more to your liking. So let's go with that. So when x is minus 1, we're going to have two lots of minus 1, so minus 2, plus the 3y is equal to 6. So then, if you add 2 to both sides, you're going to get 8, 3y equals 8, and then divide both sides by 3, and then we get our 8/3. Okay, so 8/3 is our first value there. Right, so next up, we've got when x is 0. So we're going to have two lots of 0. So then 3y is equal to 6. Divide both sides by 3, and we get y is equal to 2. Okay. Now when x is 1, we get two lots of 1 plus 3y equals 6. Subtract the 2 from both sides, and then divide both sides by 3. Okay? This just feels a little bit neater than substituting into y equals 2 take away 2/3 x, which felt like it was going to be a bit messy. A bit more tricky. Now when x is 2, we're going to get two lots of 2, which is 4, plus the 3y equals 6. Take 4 from both sides, and then divide through by 3. Okay? Right, next one. When x is 3, we've got two lots of 3, which is 6. Take the 6 from both sides, divide both sides by 3, so y is equal to 0. And our last one, when x is 4, two lots of 4 is 8, plus 3y equals 6. Take 8 from both sides, and then divide both sides by 3. Right, so this is going to be a little bit tricky because my grid isn't really set up for thirds very easily. So we'll see how we get on. So the first one is minus 1 8/3. Now 8/3 is 2 and 2/3. So it's roughly around about there. I'm going to take a punt that's around about there. Then we've got 0, 2. Right, that's fine. That's there. Then we're going to have 1 4/3. So that's 1 and 1/3. So it's around about there. Then 2 and 2/3. So that's around about there. Then 3, 0. That's fine. And then 4 minus 2/3. So it's roughly there. I don't think that plotting's too bad. So we're definitely going through those 2 points, so 0, 2 and 3, 0. So I'm going to make sure that my line goes through those 2 points. And then I'm just going to tidy up a bit on mine. Okay, And so there is my graph of 2x plus 3y equals 6.